The Union Street Guest House in upstate New York just went from some place you've never heard of to the most hated hotel on the internet by threatening to charge people for writing a bad online review. Yeah, that'll do it. Hey, I'm Gillian on Buzz60. Here's the policy listed on their website. There will be a $500 fine that will be deducted from your deposit for every negative review of the Union Street Guest House placed on any internet site by anyone in your party. Unless, of course, you delete it. The hotel says it will refund this fee once the review is taken down. So yeah, this isn't going over very well. The negative reviews are pouring in, mostly from people who haven't even stayed there. But according to TripAdvisor and Yelp, the terrible reviews have been around for years. The hotel posted this on its Facebook page. The policy regarding wedding fines was put on our site as a tongue-in-cheek response to a wedding many years ago. It was meant to be taken down long ago and certainly was never enforced. That's weird, because here's a Yelp review from November of 2013, saying the owner wrote an email telling the poster the negative review would cost the newlyweds $500. This is completely ridiculous, but hopefully the hotel has learned its lesson. Don't mess with the internet, you will not get out alive. Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.